Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you how to do these great DIY crowns. Whether it is a prince that you have or a princess, you just need a few tools for this super cute DIY. Whether it's for a birthday party or an afternoon craft time, this is perfect for either of those scenarios. So starting off, we're showing you two different kinds of lace. You only need one, and kind of a candle that has a smaller circumference. Once you get that circumference, if you even get a little bit bigger, that's okay. You can always trim it down later. So here we're moving on to our Mod Podge part. Now you want to pick some lace that actually has bigger holes. You see how this top one has larger holes than the other one? If you do have a lace that has smaller holes, just go ahead and use a really thin layer of Mod Podge, and that will definitely do the trick. Of course, you're going to be putting it on some wax paper here, and it's going to take 24 hours to dry. Once it's all dried, go ahead. You can either spray the lace to make it look a little bit more royal, or depending on what colors you're working with. We used a silver here and a silver glitter spray on top. And then let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Here we're using our Purple Wedding Tulle Roll. You can either cut it in half like we're doing here, or just take the two and fold them over. You're going to sew it down the middle or more like towards the side, so a lot puffs out. We did kind of like an accordion type of sewing action here, and I would say it would probably be about 3 or 4 feet once you have enough of that tulle to get that full kind of donut look. I love all of my food references. Thank you very much. Now you're going to be putting on the crown part, making sure that it's small enough. You might want to measure it on your kiddo's head before you actually start gluing it. Once that's done, you're going to hot glue it onto the actual, like, quote unquote mini tutu there. So here we're using our purple diamond roll, just cutting down what we need. Now if you're going to put anything on the circumference of the bottom of the quote unquote crown, I would do it before you put on the tulle, so it makes it a little bit easier, but either way it's okay. Here we're going to get a little bit more fun. This is the fun part. So we're just putting some pearl stickers on there, a little butterfly. We also pulled out our rainbow rhinestone gem stickers that were mini and just made it really magical looking. You can go, you know, the sky is the limit with this, so you can just go crazy. So now we're moving on to the bottom part where we're cutting out some of our felt here and just cutting it in the little circle. Go ahead and glue it onto the actual tulle and use one alligator clip. We didn't have an alligator clip on hand, so we just used any clip. However, you want your little one to enjoy the party and not want to rip it off. You want them to have a good time and be comfortable, so definitely the alligator look. And there you go, there is that final look, super cute. And without further ado, we're going to move on to our little prince. What we used are some of our foam sheets here, our sparkly foam sheets. We used our Cricut. We did actually do a template that we linked down below that you can print, download, and use. If you don't have a Cricut, it's okay. Just use some scissors and then cut out the design there. Now what we're doing is we're flipping it over and tracing the bottom of it, and this is going to be, instead of how we did the felt with the girls, now we're just using the other side of the sparkly foam sheets and then making sure the sparkly part is in the quote-unquote inside. Here you just put that clip there, once again alligator clip, and voila, your prince is ready to party. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Here is our beautiful model. She's kind of showing you how it looks on her head, and here are other options that you can do as well. You can definitely have themes if you're into unicorns, or if you want to do like really princessy all pinks and not have to spray paint the top. You can go so many different directions with this, so go crazy with this and enjoy yourself. And if you guys enjoy this, make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.